How do you cure your hiccups?
The next question. What's your favourite smell? The time is now 10:20. In yesterday's vlog, I told you the story on why that sofa is like that. Yesterday's vlog, the truth is finally here. So that's in yesterday's vlog if you haven't seen it already. Last night, after I stopped filming, we watched Pinocchio. What's really cool about that movie is it was the first time When You Wish Upon a Star was used. And of course, When You Wish Upon a Star is used as the intro to every Disney movie, even now. So that was really, really cool. So, the usual parts to this vlog. The weather today is hot and sunny. It keeps getting hotter and sunnier every single day. It's so nice. It's so nice to have a really good summer. And today's good news story is there. So, the first Joey has been born in captivity since the Australian bushfires. So really, really good news for the wildlife in Australia. So now I'm going to do some stuff on my laptop for a couple of hours, and I will be back with you when Brady has finished work. So Brady's now finished work, and she has used the Shane Dawson Jeffree Star Conspiracy palette again. I will show you what colours she's used. She has used Conspiracy, What's the Tea, and Illuminati. So today we are going to be doing another Q&A. So we're now out on our walk and it's really warm and sunny. So when we get back home, we're going to think of two lots of questions. The questions for the Q&A and the questions for the quiz. If anybody doesn't know, we do a quiz on this YouTube channel here on Fridays at 8 PM. So this is what's going into my wrap for lunch. Now I'm going to try and close these. Now you can't see, but these are not closed that well. Maybe like 5 out of 10 if I closed them. The taste of the wrap, however, was 10 out of 10. And now, if I can get this light good, we are going to sit outside. But first, ice cream. So we're sat outside. I'll show you where Felix is. When we go back inside, we're going to do the Q&A. There's here, with his paws, outside.
It's now finally time to go through the Q&A questions. We've written down 3 questions to ask each other, and we're just going to go through them.
Yeah.
I will ask you the first question.
Yeah.
Okay, question number 1. How do you cure your hiccups?
I don't get hiccups that often, but when I get hiccups, I get them really, really badly. I do so many things to try and cure them. Like drinking water, holding my breath, trying to drink water upside down. So I try this stuff for so long, then eventually I just give up and have hiccups. And it can last for like an hour or even a couple of hours.
Time.
The next question. What's your favourite smell?
Okay, my favourite smell is, you know when the ground is all dry,
Yeah.
and then it starts raining, like literally just as it starts raining, and it smells really fresh and dusty.
It's such a nice smell.
I'm sure there's like a weird like word for it, or it's got some special name, but that's my favourite smell.
That's really nice.
Okay. What is the coldest place that you have ever visited?
The coldest place that we've ever been to was Tallinn, Estonia. How cold was it in Tallinn? Like, it's definitely the coldest place we've been to.
Minus something.
Like 10 or even more than 10.
Yeah, it was like the beginning of December one year, wasn't it?
The next question. What's your worst kitchen screw up?
Oh God. There's probably 2.
Yeah.
The first being, Well, they're not really that bad, but the first was I was cooking a jacket potato in the microwave and somehow the plate broke.
Oh no.
I don't even know how it happened, but took out the microwave, broken plate, potato was fine. And the second one is I tried to make nacho chips out of tortillas, like wraps, like cut them into triangles, and they were the soggiest, most disgusting thing probably that I've ever eaten. And anyone that knows me knows I hate wet bread.
Any kind of soggy food.
So that was the worst. Right, your last question. Do you think that aliens exist?
Yeah, I think that aliens exist. But how big the universe is and how, yeah, I think they exist. Your final question. If you are given 5 million to open a museum, what would this museum be?
A museum of my choice. Probably some kind of drag queen museum, like the history of drag through the ages.
That'd be so cool.
Yeah, definitely. And I feel like now drag's becoming more like mainstream. People would want to go.
Oh, definitely.
So yeah, I'd open a drag museum.
So that is the 3 questions. If you've got any questions you would like to ask us, then we do a Q&A like this every week, I think, on this vlog. I'll be back soon with what we're doing next. Since we've done the Q&A, we've only been sat outside and not much else has happened. I will be back soon when something exciting happens. We've just been sat outside and we're going to go through to the kitchen together and we are going to make a... So we are now cooking dinner, or I'm doing nothing and Brady is cooking dinner. What are you cooking?
I'm making crispy chili turkey noodles.
That's not really nice. I'll show you what ingredients we've got. All of this. And chilli. So, cooking is going well. I will show you. So, Brady is just serving up food now, and I'm going to finish today's vlog here. Thank you for watching. Something brand new tomorrow. I think Brady will be cutting my hair tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow for a brand new video.